Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct your paths. For I, the Lord your God, will hold your right hand, saying to you, Fear not, I will help you. A man's heart plans his way, but the Lord directs his steps. My flesh and my heart fail, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever. I will lift up my eyes to the hills from whence comes my help. My help comes from the Lord, who made heaven and earth. There are many plans in a man's heart, nevertheless the Lord's counsel that will stand. I am the vine, you are the branches. He who abides in me, and I in him, bears much fruit, for without me you can do nothing.